fucking U-Haul truck. Why? Because we can't transport the engine hoist in a fucking RX7 or a 3 Series or a fucking C-Class. Everything was going according to plan.
And then this bullshit.
We were actually on time. I don't know how, but we were on time.
Fucking Chevrolet shitbox.
Pittsburgh. Well, hopefully that'll be enough. I mean, we've done it with some real janky shit in the past, so ours maybe because we haven't. Wham! We got the fucking engine hoist in the back, and we're heading back up north.
Adds to me being tired and fucking bored. I'm sitting in fucking traffic!
Is it even safe to be filming right now? Probably not. But look at this fucking weather. God damn it!
That band's being a cunt. One of these fucking little nuts is just stripped like a motherfucker, and it does not want to come off. Even the vice grips are having a hard time.
So there's a fucking paperclip holding the throttle together. I like it.
Stop it. Looks like we're clear. Yeah, we're all clear over here. Check down there, over there. Make sure nothing's hooked up. So the guy told us whenever we picked up the car that he had put brand new spark plugs in it. And looks to me like he was being honest about that.
But we didn't have the 93 million millimeter fucking wrenches for the oil cooler line, so we just pulled the whole fucking thing out with it. Yeah, the clutch is going out.
Yeah. It's real thin. Draining all the coolant out of the block before we decided to put this in his trunk. That way it doesn't pour coolant everywhere.
Try to fit this in for you.
Only like 17 million, but you know, whatever. We'll be fine. It's gonna be great.
That's not supposed to fit in there.
up so it looks like everything's brand new. Inspect what we have and clearance everything and make sure that everything is going to be reusable. And then at that point, we'll either have to get new housings or, you know, maybe we can reuse what's in this engine.
Right. Hopefully it's not all toast.
Right.
But it might be.
So,
What you cooking there?
Some flywheel nuts.
Nice. You gonna put
It'll
salt
be
on them?
tasty for breakfast.